English-Hungarian polite requests. Can you, equals.
Tud.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the super useful English-Hungarian request opener, can you.
Tud.
Friendly, polite, and powerful, like a verbal key that opens doors. Let's unlock some smiles together. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll ask for help like a pro, politely, clearly, and with a dash of humor. Your target. Say, can you help me? Can you speak English? And can you wait a minute? Using
Tud.
rhyme to remember. If you need something good, politely ask with
Tud.
Forms that unlock doors. Let's keep it simple and super usable. Formal starter.
Tud.
Plus infinitive. Example. Can you help me?
Tud segíteni.
More examples. Can you speak English?
Tud angolul beszélni.
Can you wait a minute?
Tud egy percet várni.
Very polite with you, formal.
Ön.
You can also hear forms like
Meg tudná mondani.
could you tell me? Informal with friends.
Tudsz.
For example,
Tudsz segíteni.
tiny warning, false friend.
Tud.
Isn't to do. It's can, know how, are able to. Not polite versus polite, inversion, help me. Better.
Tud segíteni.
Mini dialogue. Info desk shenanigans. Picture this. You at an information desk, charming and brave. You.
Elnézést. Tud segíteni.
I'm lost. Local. Of course. Straight ahead, then left at the corner. You. Great, also.
Tud angolul beszélni.
Local. A little. And yes, the museum is close. You. Last one, promise.
Tud egy percet várni.
My shoelace is plotting against me. Narrator. Nearby, a glitchy robot orders coffee by saying only
Tud.
before every sentence. Single quote.
Tud.
Cappuccino? Comedy gold. Mnemonic and music. Lock it into memory with a quick trick. TUD equals try using diplomacy. Take a breath, start with
Tud.
and you're golden. Hear the loop. Too-you'd? Too-you'd, a tiny doorbell of politeness. Imagine a key.
Tud.
Opens help gently. Drill time. You say it. Say the English, then answer out loud in Hungarian. Can you help me?
Tud segíteni.
Can you speak English?
Tud angolul beszélni.
Can you wait a minute?
Tud egy percet várni.
Excuse me, please, can you recommend something?
Elnézést. Kérem, tud ajánlani valamit.
Can you help find the museum?
Tud segíteni megtalálni a múzeumot.
Keyword boost. Help equals.
Segítség.
Noun. Speak equals.
Beszélni.
To speak. Culture tip. Courteous wins. A little politeness goes a long way in Hungary. Use a friendly tone, an open palm gesture, and start with
Elnézést.
if you're stopping someone. With strangers or staff, aim for formal.
Tud.
It feels respectful. At Budapest's Chain Bridge, try. Can you take a photo?
Tud fényképet készíteni.
Smile included. Quick quiz. Test yourself, answers right after the pause. Q1. What's the polite Hungarian starter for can you? Question mark single quote. A1.
Tud.
Q2. True or false?
Tud.
Means to do. A2. False, it expresses ability, can. Q3. Say, can you speak English? A3.
Tud angolul beszélni.
Micro challenge. Let's make it stick in real life. Challenge. Ask 3 polite questions today starting with
Tud.
ideas.
Tud segíteni.
Pipe.
Tud ajánlani valamit.
Pipe.
Tud egy percet várni.
Bonus. Start with
Elnézést.
and end with
Kérem.
or a smile. Wrap up. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Tud.
And you'll feel the magic of polite Hungarian everywhere. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more practice, transcripts, and tips at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.